I'm Jerry Cross, and I am the Central Regional Sales Manager and cover Canada as well for Simplex brand at Subzero Engineering. Simplex Cleanrooms have been around for more than 40 years now, and it's a brand that is growing and becoming stronger because of the facility that we have now, the workforce that we have, and our design capabilities with our engineering team and our build-to-order market strategy. Simplex Cleanrooms has really led the industry in innovation, design, and lead times. I mean, we've always been the one to go to, the source of knowledge, the leader in the industry, and I love continuing that. Customers can benefit coming to us because of the 40-year history and our expertise and our capabilities in design, and sitting down with them to figure out every aspect of their clean room and being able to decide whether they need ISO 7 or ISO 6 and what their process actually does entail with their setup. The challenges that our customers face, they really think they're unique to themselves. They think that they're the only ones experiencing this particular challenge, but it's something we see every day. I've had customers come to me and say, I've got this really weird design. I need something that will just fit over my machine. It's like, we do that every day. So I can sit down with them and it's like, oh, do you want it to roll over there? Do you need it to, the hatch to open on the top? Do you need to drop your die in from the top? And I think they're always surprised that I know a little bit about their unique issues that they're having, because everyone in the industry is experiencing these issues. So there's nothing unique or new to us, whether you just need your tabletop unit, just a 2x2 unit that you want to do some compounding in on a table, exhaust fume hood, or you need a full-blown rocket enclosure. So if you're looking for a new clean room, whether you are looking for that tabletop system or you want something extremely large, I mean, we can do anything from a small tabletop unit through to a rocket enclosure. I mean, the possibilities of what we can do are endless. If you dream it, we can build it. That's kind of the philosophy we have here, and it's a great opportunity. Basic things that people come to me with would be everyday 8x8 enclosures, and they come to me and they're like, can you do 8x8? Yeah, we do those every day. Oh, but what if I need 8x9? Yeah, it's all built to order. It's all, fully customizable, and it's not going to cost you any more if you need a 7.5 foot roof ceiling or if you need an 8-foot ceiling. It's break even. A lot of our competitors do charge for those customizations, where it's all built to order. It's all included. So if you're looking for something a little more than an 8x8 clean room, or you want something a little larger, maybe you're looking to do a rigid wall. The rigid wall system, I think, getting into the airlock enclosures and the 797 enclosures. The airlock enclosure is my favorite system that we offer. It has the external latches that you can set up and install in a matter of hours. We set up 20x20s and you can do it in a day, 2 days with just a couple guys. It's a very simple system, latch together design, and you're able to flat pack it when you don't need it. If it's more of a temporary system, we can provide that opportunity for you with the airlock, because it's a simple system you can put up, take down pretty regularly. Simplex Cleanrooms are a modular design that allow customers to expand as they need or to downsize as they need. The benefits of the modular design is that they can pack it up, take it with them. If they're leasing the space, they don't have to do a whole bunch of infrastructure work. No stick built. The modular design allows for easy setup without any site mess. You don't have all the contractors on site. The modularity design gives you that opportunity to start in a small building, and then 3 years from now you just expand it. You can build it, you can grow it, and then when you're in a building as big as a Costco, you can set up a full-blown clean room and we can assist you with it. So if you're looking to just separate a space, we have several options. And most people think, oh, I need a clean room. I need it's got to be a hard wall clean room, or maybe you can get away with a soft wall. But if you can get away with a soft wall, there's also even just using vinyl strip doors. We can do ceiling hung strip doors. So you can divide your room and you don't have to drill any holes. You can mount it right to your ceiling grid, hang curtains, and set up a clean room. What customers don't know or what customers can't find out by going to the website is the support that they're actually going to have. From design to installation, we can provide everything, and we're there for them the entire time. Sitting down, going over drawings, reviewing their processes, making sure their conveyors are going to work in the system, making sure the application is going to fit their needs. And it's not only from that drawing through design, I'm there for them regardless of where they are in the process. Even with the installation, I try to go out on installations just to see the room going in and be there to assist. We understand that there's a lot of stress when trying to design your clean room and trying to set up your process and trying to keep contamination out. There is a lot of stress that comes on that, and you need to be able to focus on your process and your job and getting materials to your customers. So we want to take that off your plate. We're there for you to help you, so you don't have to worry about, do I need ISO 8? Do I need ISO 7? We're going to help you design that and set that up so you can focus on what you do best, and that's serve your customers. So when you're seeking out a clean room enclosure and looking for a solution to keep contamination out of your process, you may not think that we cover your industry. By looking on the website, you might see 10 industries that we serve, and yours isn't listed, but rest assured, we do serve your industry. The products that Simplex Cleanrooms offers varies from our vinyl strip doors, our Polysim TPU, which is used in a lot of the semiconductor industries, inherently anti-static. It's non-outgassing, so it works great in aerospace. And then we can also put that Polysim in our airlock enclosures. The list goes on with the industries that we serve. The aerospace industry is a major market for us right now because of our Polysim product and the ever-changing advancements that they're coming out with every day. We do everything from tabletop enclosures to rocket enclosures, so we're heavily involved with a lot of the aerospace and government projects that are going on. So I think there's one project that stands out to me in particular. I was working on a clean room for a customer that does a lot of screen printing, and they were getting a lot of contamination in their process. So they were having bubbles in their vinyl wraps and things like that. And they were wasting $150,000 a year with reworks and warranties and customer complaints. And when we provided a solution for them, we saved them $100,000 that first year, which completely paid for their enclosure. In many industries that we serve, it's not even about saving them money. They're able to obtain contracts that they couldn't obtain without a clean room. So there's a lot of companies that we work with that don't have a clean room, but there's customers of theirs that they're missing out on because of that. So they come to us with a simple design. They want to meet the minimum requirements to get their clean room and to be able to pick up more contracts. So it's not just saving their money, protecting their process, it's bringing in more business for them as well. At Simplex, we approach problems with a completely different approach than most companies do, or most people do. We look at a project and we want the challenge. We look at it and we want to grow and build and expand our knowledge and do fun things. We want to be a part of the cool projects. We do love doing standard 8x8 projects as well, but growing and building and learning more and building those custom designs is very rewarding for everyone involved. With our site services team, we are able to provide a turnkey solution, turnkey installation, and we are able to provide the customer service because we do have a project manager that will handle your project from start to finish. At Simplex, we will always continue to be flexible in our designs and fully customizable because that is our market approach. We want to be there to serve you and get you exactly what you need. We understand that there's a lot of off-the-shelf products out there, but they don't fully fit what you're looking for. So if you need to reduce your head height, if you need to have a 20-foot enclosure, we want to be there to be a part of that and help you obtain what you actually need. The unseen potential of our product it's encouraging to even think about, and it's a question that I don't know that I could ever really answer. There's endless possibilities. I mean, just when I think I've had the coolest experience and the coolest project, there's the next one that comes along and it's, oh, you need it 23 feet by 300 feet long and you want it on casters and you want it to move, and so we've got to piece it together and we got to build that so that you can have what you're looking for. And every project just brings on those new challenges, and so the possibilities are endless, and it's so fun to be a part of. Because Simplex, started in a very small facility, and we've always focused on innovation and design and quality, and moving from that small facility up to, the state-of-the-art facility we're in now, I believe that it will help us get to the absolute extremes of what we can produce. We have the capabilities, we have the team, and I think the options are endless. I mean, we could potentially take this to the moon. We could take our enclosures wherever needed. I mean, we can grow. We have the ability now to grow beyond where we ever were before. I personally would like to thank all of my customers for sticking with us over the last 40 years and being a part of the successes that we have. I am Jerry Cross, and we, the Simplex team, are now part of Subzero Engineering.